Oh, I like it. Feeling it. Look at that. Boom! Oh, I thought that was going to be a strike. Hey, everybody, it's me, Stephan. Minute Out In It time. And for this one, we have come to Cherry Lanes in downtown Sturgeon Bay on 4th Avenue. And they are very excited to be back up and running here at this establishment. You've got 4 lanes of bowling, all kinds of arcade games, new and old, a big full bar. And they're planning some big special events, partnering with some breweries to create a little excitement. And the one that I want to talk about right now, the first one they're going to do is coming up on Friday, the 18th, and it is called Beat the Brewery. And the brewery that we're talking about is Surly Brewery. They're going to be coming here, and they're going to be holding court and meeting and greeting with the people, and they're going to be bowling. And if you beat the brewer, you get a beer. So be sure that you bring your A game when you come for that event. Oh, like I am. Look at this. Now I got it. Boom! I think I need a heavier ball. Another thing that they're doing here that is super cool, and I think everybody will get pretty stoked about, is free bowling. Yeah, you heard me right. I did say free. On Wednesdays, all day, you can bring up to 4 people and bowl for an hour for free. What a country, or what a county, Door County, Sturgeon Bay, Cherry Lanes, and don't forget about Beating the Brewery. It's Beat the Brewery with Surly. It's on Friday. It starts at 6. They're going to feature a special Surly beer. Let me describe it for you. It's the Grapefruit Supreme, finishing crisp and citrusy. It sets a new standard for crushable. Yeah, the alternative to seltzer. Utterly beguiling. It sounds good. Okay, see if I can pick up the spare. Come on, Steffi. You can do it. I think I got it. Boom, I'm out of here. Yes! I rock. Did I get it? No? Oh no, I thought it was... Oh well. I thought I had the spare. Did it hit it right on the... What?